What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. I'm gonna go over Matic. Couple people in my last Matic video. Jax, why isn't it moving? I have such a big bag. I'm in a trade. It's the worst. And all I reply with is patience. Have patience. We're sitting at 84 cents. We're up 6% on the day, doing well on our trade. We're seeing market cap 8.07 billion. 24-hour volume 769 million. We're also going to look at Ethereum. So we broke the double bottom. I said to watch for that confirmation. So it looks like we have 3 waves up so far. If you take a trend-based fib extension from the bottom to the top of wave 1 to the bottom of wave 2, we shot all the way up, all the way towards the 2.618, the 261.8% extension, on our way there. But we do have a nice 5-wave move on the micro count. There's a nice little wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So we may pull back in a micro 4, push up in a 5, pull back, and then see continuation to the upside. That's what I think is likely. So we'll finish this wave count. We'll pull back. We'll hold the pullback, maybe retest the double bottom, see continuation back to the upside. So there's a couple wave counts to look at. We'll zoom out here. Firstly, all of this could be an impulse in a wave 1 from the low here of 50 cents all the way up in a 1 and then pull back in a 2, and now you're pushing up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or there's another count looking at Ethereum potentially pulling back after the next higher high, where this could all be a wave 4 correction, an ABC correction, and then you're going to push up in a wave 5. So I can give you a target for that with the trend-based extension from the bottom of wave 2 to the top of wave 3. If this is the bottom of the wave 4 ABC correction, then you would target the 618 at $1.04. We would start to hit our take profits on our Matic trade if we do push up to that level. And then basically what would happen is you'd see a larger pullback before continuation. Because looking at ETH, either we're going to put in a B wave high or like an overshooting wave B, or this wave 1 is not complete yet, but eventually you're going to see that larger pullback. So this may be the count to watch for Matic, where we push up to about $1.04 and then see a larger pullback. Looking at Ethereum on the daily, we put in that higher high, we push up to that major resistance of about 2.2545, and then see a pullback, probably retest the ascending triangle before seeing continuation to the upside, going up the stairs. Perfectly healthy. We love to see it. Watch for the bearish divergence on the daily RSI. So that's what I'm looking at for Matic. I do think continuation is probable. We're in a Matic long trade already. Signal was given in the Discord. We're also in an XRP trade, a Bitcoin trade. So what I'm expecting is a micro pullback, push up, and then see a little bit of a larger pullback before seeing continuation to the upside. At least we're going to push up to about $1.04 in my opinion. All right, guys, so if you want completely free access to my trade signals, sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including for my US and Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus into their futures account if you deposit $1,000. That's $200 completely free to trade with. Minimum deposit to get the bonus is $100. Email me after you made the deposit, and I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, crypto news, members post their profits in here, Forex signals, Forex analysis, trade crypto, trade Forex, all in one place. If you want direct access, it's $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon. Otherwise, sign up through Bitfinex to get the free access after a first deposit of at least $100, and you get that 20% bonus in your account. Free money, free trade signals. Pretty good deal. Best on YouTube. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.